Dear international students, welcome back to Full Scholarships. Today we'll be discussing about paid online volunteer UN 2021 program. To get to this page, please check the video description below and the link is there. Also, you can comment down, we will send you the link. Also, you can get it from our Instagram bio here and Instagram story also. You can also message us on Instagram and ask for the link. But before that, let me remind you, if you are not followed us, please click the follow button on Instagram. Also, if you are not subscribed, if you are new here, please press the subscribe button. Please give a thumbs up to this video and watch full video so that you cannot miss any part of this video. So after clicking on the link in description, you will be redirected to our website. Here you can check paid online volunteer UN 2021. You can check all details. Here you can be from any of the country, all countries, all eligible, and you will be paid for the this work. You have to simply work from home. After scrolling down, you can check at the end. Here is the apply now button and optional link. Simply click on the apply now button. You will be redirected to official UN website. Here you can check all details. You have to simply scroll down to this here, putting skills into action. So many ways to volunteer. You can check any of the categories that you are interested in. Simply, I am interested in outreach and advocacy. I will click here on outreach and advocacy. Simply after click on that, you can check 22 opportunities are open here. You can be eligible to any of the opportunities. You are eligible to all opportunities. There is no age bar to applying any of them. It's just based on your experience. So I am interested in social media content here. Support content creation for social media. Simply click on my interest and you have to click your own interest. So after clicking on my interest, here you can check support content creation for social media. Here you can read the details about it and simply click on this apply now button. After click on this, you can check become a volunteer. Simply click on this register section. Here you have to click OK, I am ready. Now you have to create your account. Let me create my account, and these are 3 steps, so I'll get back to you after creating my account. After filling all the details, simply click on this sign up button. Now simply fill this second step, tell about yourself and your nationality. After saving, simply submit the third step. After filling all details, simply click on finish. Here you can check thank you and it will be reviewed and it will be redirected in here 9 seconds. Let me wait for the redirection. So here you can check activation link has been sent or mail. So let me activate that and get back to you. So after logging in, you have to click on this outreach, and so here you can see apply now button. Click on that. Now you have to fill all these details here. You have to answer these questions. So let me fill these questions and get back to you. After answering all the questions, so click here submit application. So here you can check thank you, your application has been sent to organization and which will contact you soon. So we will get answer in our mail for acceptance and related next steps. So that was very easy. Hope you understood this process. If you are not followed us on Instagram, if you are not subscribed us on YouTube channel, please press the subscribe button. You can get the scholarship link from video description. So hope you like this video. Please give a thumbs up to this video and comment your doubts if you have any. Thank you for watching.